afternoon, sir, ma'am. Room B13. Thank you. I'm going down and get a kitty.
I'll do it.
No, I will get it. The poor kitty out trying to keep dry under a table.
Don't get wet.
I'll go out. No, no, senora. It is a bad weather.
Let's go, Mom. You must get inside. You will be wet.
Guess it got.
It was gone.
Wonder where it went to.
I wanted it so much. I don't know why I wanted it so much. I wanted that poor kitty. It isn't any fun to be a poor kitty out in the rain. Don't you think it would be a good idea if I let my hair grow out?
I like it the way it is.
I get so tired of it. I get so tired of looking like a boy.
You look like pretty darn nice.
I want to pull my hair back tight and smooth. I want to have a kitty on my lap and purr when I stroke her. And I want to eat at a table with my own silver, and I want candles. And I want it to be spring, and I want it to have a kitty, and I want new clothes.
Oh, shut up and get some to me.
Anyway, I want a cat, and I want a cat now. If I can have a long hair or any fun, I can have a cat.
Come in.
Excuse me, the pardon asked me to bring this for Senora.